Hello guys, how are you? So guys, this time we are about to make real money. We need to make real money. Whenever you see Thanos V5, you just know that we're gonna make quick money. We're gonna make easy money just like that. So let's make money, guys. I got the first signal and the second signal. So just like that, I don't have time. Just like that, we're gonna have to open the positions very quick so that you cannot miss any spike. So let's see, guys. Let's see. We are about to make money. We are about to show you how accurate these indicators is. You can see I went on. Oh, oh my God. Oh my, this is what, that is why I'm in a hurry. That is why I'm in a hurry. Because I know Thanos. Thanos give accurate signals each and every time, guys. Thanos give accurate signals each and every time. So what's up this number you see on the screen, and get yourself a copy. Thank you.